If you store your bikes up like this, front wheel up, you might find that when you go for a ride, and you bring the bike down, there's no brake pressure. Here's how to fix that. Really easy. Got this bike here. Gonna do a quick lever bleed on the rear brake here. Just 2.5 mil Allen key in. Unloosen that. If I can get it. Twist it to the side. Now we have a bleed cup filled with mineral oil in this case because it's Shimano. Now I'm just going to pump the lever, see if any, oh there we go, see if the air comes out. Just keep pumping. Jeez, lots of air in this one. I want to keep pumping until there's no air comes out, just like now. So it's pumping and there's no air. I haven't even bothered to make the brake level. I've just stuck the cup on. Now there's no air coming out. Put the plunger back in, undo the cup back in its holder. Take my 2.5 mil bolt. Stick that back in. Give the brake a wipe. There we go, ready to ride in probably 2 minutes. Don't forget, we got some awesome tubeless valves, rim tape that sticks, tubeless rim tape that is. We got brake pads in development. We got merch as well, so check out bikegarage31.ca. Thanks.